all of you. Myself, Suhani Mishra from class 10. Firstly, I am thankful to our English teacher, Mr. Yogesh sir, for giving me this opportunity to express my inner thought in front of all of you. This is very important for our board examination. Now, starting the chapter, A Trimp of Surgery, which is written by James Harriet, is about a small dog, Tricky, who was included by his rich mistress with unhealthy foods. After some time, Tricky became unhealthy and got oddly sweet. Mr. Periphery soon as a possible consulted Mr. Harriet for Tricky treatment. Mr. Harriet hospitalized Tricky for 3 days. In 3rd days, Tricky got some played activity and eat some food. This story he needed as a trimp of surgery. Thank you.
Yes. Next one.
The poem Dust of Snow is composed by Robert Frost. It is a shorter and simple poem with a deeper and larger meaning, and the poet explains how Ab has experienced no one's snow written. The poet explains this stanza in simple words. Thank you.
Hima, come here.
I'm here to tell you about a short summary, A Letter to God. It is based on a poor farmer named Tancho. Tancho was a poor farmer and his field was wasted due to heatstorm. Thank you.
The central idea of the poem Dust of Snow is the significant act of nature, like a crow shaking snow from a tree, and it impacts person's mood and shift leading in their emotional state. Thank you.
The poem Dust of Snow had been composed by Robert Frost. The poem describes natural science and uses things to express the ideas. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Farshita Pamir from class 10. Fire and Ice. Fire and Ice was written by Robert Frost. Fire and Ice is a strong symbolic poem where fire is used to desire and ice are used to hatred. He has used the idea of two groups who have their own possible. Thank you.
The central idea of poem, which is Dust of Snow. Dust of Snow is a beautiful short poem which is written by Robert Frost. In this poem, tells that even a single moment has a large significance. Thank you.
Dust of Snow is a beautiful short poem written by Robert Frost. The poem
Don't laugh.
that the simple movement has a large significance. The poet mentions crow, hazel tree in this poem.
Sit down.
Dust of Snow is a short poem which is written by Robert Frost. This poem tells that a short moment has a large significance.
That's it. Yes.
Dust of Snow. This poem is by Robert Frost, and in this poem, the poet tells about the natural side of this.
Yes, sit down.
The poem Dust of Snow has been composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, the poet describes the natural side. He uses crows and the symbol of woman.
Yes.
The poem Dust of Snow has been composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, the poet is describing the natural side. He uses different things to express his ideas. Thank you.